What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am at the lake. I honestly didn't want to get up this morning. I've been super lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I've just been getting up late and I work from time to time in the mornings, but this morning I decided, why not? Let's get up. As you can see, my kayak is right there and this is the boat ramp. This is kind of where it's supposed to be. You can see the water line where it used to be right there. Yeah, my kayak's over there. The boat ramp is basically gone. Literally my truck is all the way over there and I have to walk all the way down here, which is not a lot still, but people used to use this boat ramp because they didn't want to walk. They didn't want to walk all the way down to their boat or kayak or whatever, and they would use this boat ramp. But now it's starting to get a little long. Yeah, the lake has been drying up recently. Honestly, pretty crazy how low it is, but we're gonna get out there. I'll explain some more about that right now. Let's see if we can find some spots to fish. Hopefully we can. Let's get to it. All right, folks, so just to explain a little, yes, Lake Amistad has been drying up quite a bit. I'm not sure why either. Like, the water has gone down so much. Honestly, I've lived here all my life, 20 years old, not much life, but anyways, still, like, I've lived here all my life and I've never seen the water this low. Honestly, insane. Behind me is what I used to call the sissy cliffs because of how small they were, and everyone used to jump off cliffs over here, but those are way too high now, and the sissy cliffs are now like basically what those are. They're super high. I don't know why this has been happening, why the water has been going really low, but I am at 454. Gonna try and figure out some spots because the next tournament, it's free-for-all. You can choose whatever spot you want, and yeah, so I'm gonna try out this spot. In that tournament I might go to this spot and then Diablo Luis. I might go to Diablo and then this spot. I don't know, it just depends how the weather is that day, if it's windy or not. We'll see how this spot is too, see if it's changed much, the structure. Less talking, more fishing. Let's get at it, see if we can make it happen. This cove is like gone. This is insane. Like this is dry. That's a fish. That's a fish. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. Barely hooked. Woo-hoo-hoo. I got that on camera. Hey buddy, chill. Don't flap everywhere. That was awesome. Alright, first fish of the day. Nice little fish right there. Little largy, not too big, but little chunky. Not bad. I will take it nevertheless. First fish of the day. Back in the water he goes. Lake is dry, but there's still fish. Always my number one go-to is this pencil bait, and I honestly didn't even buy this bait. I found this bait at the lake maybe like 3 years ago, and I've still had it to this day, and I still use it, and I still slay them on this bait. It's like honestly insane. I don't know what it is about this bait, but it seems to always catch them. I really don't know the name. I just know it has like an X right here with like a droplet, it looks like. I don't know, I think I found it once online, but after that I just forgot the name. I don't know what kind of bait it is, but yeah, number one go-to topwater bait. I'm gonna keep fishing this cove with this topwater bait. We'll keep fishing, see if we can catch some more fish. All right guys, just to put into perspective how low this lake has gotten, about 5 years ago, me and my dad actually came out here. We came down here on this side and we decided to swim, and we were jumping from those cliffs right there. Those cliffs up there were like, all this was underwater and we were jumping from those. That's how much the water was about 5 years ago or so, give or take. But yeah, that's how much the water has gone down. I mean, that's a lot of water, and considering that this is an incline, like a drop off, that's a ton of water. To give y'all perspective of how much this lake has just dropped. Like, this used to be one of the biggest lakes in Texas, like one of the bigger ones, and I'm sure now we're like at the bottom of the list because of how much water we lost. It's still a big lake, don't get me wrong, but crazy how much it's gone down. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. That might be a nice one. Ah, it's a dink. It's a dink. That is a nice fish. Kind of cut it. kind of the way he bit, I couldn't talk right there. Might have gut hooked him. Sorry, buddy. I knew I was gonna catch a fish right here. This little area looked pretty good. I think I gut hooked this fish, so let me kind of chill out for a bit. Hey, hey. We ain't gonna get nowhere if you flopping around. Alright folks, second fish of the day. Not a giant, but still a nice fish. I will take it. Kind of gut hooked him, so I'm gonna let him go back in the water. He swam off just fine, but got the hook out. 2 fish. We're still in the same cove. Not bad. Currently 8:25. Been fishing for about an hour. Gonna keep fishing. Gonna keep using the same bait. See if we can make it happen. It's a nice thing about the lake. No one can tell you squat. You can just talk and talk all you want to the camera. It's kind of weird if you're talking alone, which I kind of am, but still. That's a fish. So you have it? What is up with these fish? They're just swiping at it. That's a fish. Oh, no wonder he just bit it and let go. It's a tiny guy. I was wondering why these fish just kept biting and letting go. What are you doing eating a bait as long as you? Really? Come on, buddy. Anyways, we caught our third fish of the day. Not bad. I will take it. Tiny fish, little smally. These things are so aggressive. Hooked him right there at the top. Looks like he's been hooked before, like 3 other times. Learn your lesson, guy. Gonna go to let him go. Back in the water he goes. Oh my gosh, dude. That was a fish. I don't know why I wait. There he is again. Oh, he's running. Oh my gosh. He ran like crazy. Smallie? Big fish? 10-pounder? I have no clue. Alright folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I am sweating. I'm pouring sweat. It's hot out there. My truck is reading 104 and it's barely 11 o'clock. Texas is insane right now. I don't know what's going on with it. Honestly, it's crazy, but not a bad day. We managed to make it happen. Sorry, I was getting a call there. We managed to make it happen. We caught 3 fish in total today. Not bad considering I haven't been fishing like at all whatsoever. Not a bad day. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. This was kind of just to show y'all how low the lake is. Next video, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a couple ideas, but the next tournament, the final tournament, is coming up. Grand prize of $1,000, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we do good on that. I kind of have a game plan and I kind of don't, but we'll see if we can make it happen. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Enough talking. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help me get to 500 subs. I'd really appreciate it. But that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.